Let's see. I began using the paraphrasing strategy by remembering RAC, the mnemonic device that reminds me of the 3 steps of the strategy. R is for the first step, read a paragraph. Read the first paragraph. The title is Wandering into the Wilds. Backpacking offers freedom found in no other type of wilderness travel. However, you must know what to expect when you hike off into the wilderness. There will be no piped water or shelter to use. There will be no tables to eat from and no grills to hold your pots and pans. There will be a few trail signs to guide you. You must know how to follow a map. You will be on your own. Okay, now that I've read it, I need to do the A step. I ask myself, what are the main ideas and details in this paragraph? I need to look back over the paragraph and think about what I learned. I need to look for the main idea and some details. So let's look over the paragraph. What is this paragraph about? I think this paragraph is about backpacking because the main idea in the first sentence of the paragraph is backpacking. See it right there. I'll look at the next sentence to check that. I find the word hiking, which is a synonym for backpacking, so I must be on the right track. What does the paragraph tell me about backpacking? To answer this question, I'll look into the detail statements that follow the first sentence and summarize them. They tell me all the things you don't have when you're backpacking. Now I need to find some details. There's no piped water, no shelter, no tables, no grills, no pots and pans, and no trail signs. Now that I've found the main idea and the details, I'll do the P step by looking away from the paragraph and putting the main ideas and details into my own words. So let's look away. If we look, this paragraph is about things you don't have when you go backpacking. For example, you don't have running water or a house, you don't have furniture or a stove to cook on, you don't have signs to tell you where to go, so you have to know how to read a map. So that's what we put right here. And what's highlighted in the yellow is the first sentence that gives us what our main idea is about. So let's go on to paragraph 2. That is all I think is important to remember about that paragraph. Now I need to start with step 1 again and read another paragraph. Paragraph 2. Still, there are countless places you can go. Try an overnight trip to a mountain or stream. Follow an unmarked trail that seems inviting. A trail run will help you tone up muscles and show up mistakes and plans. During a short trip, you will not suffer too badly if something has been left at home. The next step is to ask yourself about the main idea and details. So I need to ask myself, what is this paragraph about? I'll look for the main idea in the first sentence. I think it's places you can go. I'll check by looking at the next couple of sentences to see if they mention different places you can go. Yes, they do. So there we go, right here. There are still countless of places you can go. I see the mountain stream and unmarked trail mentioned here. What does it tell me about the places you can go? It tells me about several example places. Okay, now I'm ready for step 3. Put the main idea and details into your own words. Here goes. This paragraph is about several examples of places you can go when you're backpacking. You can go up a mountain, you can hike to a stream, you can walk along an unmarked trail. You may have noticed I didn't mention all the details in the paragraph. Which details did I not cover? I didn't talk about going on a run. That's right. I didn't talk about the trail run to tone up my muscles or not suffering on short trips. It's important to choose the 2 or 3 facts that you think are the most crucial to remember and that go directly related to the main idea. I chose the details about the place to go because they fit the main idea with the paragraph. You'll too get bogged down if you try to mention every detail in the paragraph. So right here, we will type what we paraphrase, and you will do this for every paragraph after this.